Happy Monday day to people. Um, so I'm gonna start out the week fast. I have a script I worked on over the weekend. You probably see a video on just kind of the quick session of me building it out. But what it is really kind of a script that brings together Python and data from Power BI, and it allows me to forecast, specifically actually with Facebook Profit, which is a really good, easy to use forecasting library for Python. I use it all the time. It's really easy to build pipelines with it, be able to grab data, forecast it, and then get it back to, let's say, Power BI so that you can visualize that forecast. It's just really, really cool to do that. But I want to just show you my progress with it. I'm going to show you my script. I'm going to run it here. We can kind of glance through it. I'm using a Power BI model as the data source, but you can really use anything. If you have a SQL Server, BigQuery, a CSV file, really anything. And I'm really utilizing an HTML kind of structure here where I can visualize and actually put in my parameters for that forecast. So let's run it here, and I will bring it up on my page. 1 second while I do that. And we got a forecast. Let me put in my access token, and then we can start capturing the data for this too. 1 second while I do that. Okay, so I got the access token, and let's do that. We'll update this. These are just the parameters. Bump that down, and I'm going to generate this forecast. So now what it's doing, it's reaching out to my Power BI semantic model. It's bringing in the data I want to forecast, and it's going to give me, it's going to spit back that forecast here. 1 second while it does that. Perfect. So I can kind of see just different kind of graphs to help me understand how distributed that forecast is. And I can see kind of my different components that go into it, what the year kind of looks like, the trend, is it going up or down? Weekly kind of goes into like different layers of it, and daily if there's any intervals. But I don't think I have any daily intervals on that. And then it spits out the forecast for kind of the date span that I have selected. I think I said 38 days into the future. Um, and we can see that it's probably based off the last day of the date that's imported into this, which I think is December. So then I have 38 days beyond that, which I get up to February 7th. So that's really cool. Again, it's just a very quick way to kind of work with Python and integrate Power BI as a data source. And you can do some forecasting, and you can make it really easy to use, easy to validate, and you can kind of get going with that. Works great for emails, call forecasts, really anything. So I hope you enjoyed this today, and I will talk to you later.